Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Pushy, and today I'm going to demonstrate and discuss with you this week's project titled Kinetic Sand. For this experiment, we need sand, which I have here in this water bottle that I gathered from the beach by the lake nearby, and we also need cornstarch, which I have here, and we need water and dish soap, which I've mixed here in this mason jar. And we combine these to create kinetic sand, which I have already made right here. And as you can see, it doesn't feel like wet sand, but it feels different. It's like wet without drying out, and it's moldable and pliable. But what gives kinetic sand this transfixing effect? So kinetic sand is regular sand that's been coated in silicone oil. Silicone doesn't refer to one specific material, but rather a group of materials that contain the elements silicone and oxygen. Silicones are polymers, meaning they're molecules made up of long chains of repeated units. The compounds are used in all sorts of products, from cosmetics, lotions, shampoos, and conditioners, even like lubricants and sealants in cars and things like that. Silicone oils have unique properties in that they can be liquids that flow freely or semi-solids that flow slowly in the absence of pressure, but they act like rubbery solids under stress. This characteristic is called viscoelasticity. But a substance's degree of viscoelasticity depends on the length of the polymer chains in the silicone oil. So I guess you can just imagine these polymer chains as like very long strings of spaghetti, and they stick together so that they can hold shape. But place a ball of them on the counter, and over time they'll slowly sink into a low pile. The longer the strings hold their shape better than the longer strings hold their shape better than the shorter strings. Similarly, with kinetic sand, the polymer chains within the silicone oil make the sand particles stick together so they can form them into a ball. However, the ball will slowly flatten out over time, as I explained with the polymer chain. But the silicone oil-coated sand particles stick only with each other, not to other surfaces. This is why kinetic sand doesn't seem sticky and is actually easy to clean up, but it does seem pliable and interesting. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see, here's my kinetic sand, and it is squeezable and pliable, but none of it sticks to my hand. So that is kinetic sand. Hope you guys learned a lot about polymers. Thanks.